Back on it, look at the car control, glued to the front of his car. What a shot! Oh, mercy!
Guys, I need your attention for this one because you're going to love it. This is the elite team you're about to see. And they had a challenge from one of our great sponsors, Amazon, AWS, to say, okay, you guys can code. Oh, you're entrepreneurs? Let's see what you can do that we think could actually be cool. They spent the last several weeks building and designing and coding their own platform, and they're about to show you what you can do with this STEM skill set.
Since the start of the internet, having a voice on the web has only been available to the select few. But with the advent of technologies like AWS, this service has become available to everyone. When I was around 10, I went to AWS looking to create just a simple website. But just the multitude of services on the AWS site really intimidated me so much that it kind of deterred me from using AWS. Which is why we believe that to achieve this massive vision, they need to work with us, their professional developers need to work with our teenage perspective to cater to one of the most underrepresented demographics in the tech industry, the youth.
All right, so when we look at AWS, we see a platform created by professionals for professionals. But this is the exact reason why they have room to grow. Let's see how easy it is to create something with our reimagined version of AWS. AWS currently offers 175 different complex and powerful services to its users. But these different services can often confuse users. So we like to use a new and improved modernized design to encourage and inspire future generations of developers. We take a project application-specific approach where we show every single service that a user has on the main screen that can be searched by name, category, or any other context. So let's demonstrate how easy it is to build a web application, for example. The main highlight of this application here is the smart deployment feature. Experienced users can use the CLI deployment just as they always have. Most people end up using CLI over the interface anyways. But smart deployment makes it easy for anyone to deploy context-specific applications in a matter of minutes. When we were researching this, we wanted to focus on what the youth is actually doing with cloud computing today. Things like building game servers and Discord bots and generating artificial intelligence models. But today, let's go ahead and create a web application. All we have to do next is select a location. So I think we're gonna go with Atlanta, Georgia for the server location here. And then we just need to input some information like a name. So we're gonna go demo and we're gonna host it at demo.our-domain right now. And we're gonna do a Node.js application on the latest version. And so before we deploy this site, we'd actually like to get some audience feedback. On our site, we're gonna have a custom message from whatever you guys would like to say, and our backend engineer, Richard here, is going to add it to the site, and he's gonna give me a thumbs up. But what do you guys wanna add? All right. All right, he's gonna give us a thumbs up when he's done with that. If this is what a small team of people under 18 can do in just a matter of 2 weeks, imagine what we could do in months, years. Imagine what the future of AWS could hold. When most people go to AWS, they already know exactly, usually, what they'd like to do. But what if AWS could be a place to explore, inspire, to grow, and to create?
Really, any teenager could pull up to this website, click a couple buttons, and put up their own customized website. In fact, even you guys just sitting there, even without a laptop, just told us a couple words and we were able to just with a couple clicks put this up onto a website. And just like that, the app has been deployed. So if you guys would head over to demo.aws-ome.com on your phones.
And ladies and gentlemen, you can see
Right there, the audience message. Let's go, AK, let's go. Looks like Artery Kell won that battle.
So our goal is to work with AWS using our unique perspective as young developers and young entrepreneurs to help them grow their user base from a very young age.
We believe that we need to work with getting users and developers from a young age as they will grow and become lifelong developers to build the future of cloud computing.
We believe that bringing this teen audience into AWS will revolutionize the industry and truly push AWS towards that goal of helping 29 million people grow their tech skills. Thank you for your time, and do you guys have any questions?